Welcome to our new video on Android example. In this video, we will see examples how to create an application. So let's begin with it. So we will create a hello world example. In our project, select the activity. Marketing language Java, and minimalistic to run this application will be 8.6.4 with marshmallow. The version will be 23. It will take some time to set up the project. Has been set up successfully. In left side, you can see app directory and Gradle scripts. You can see build.gradle, a project label, project colon Infovistar underscore YouTube, and build.gradle module app. So this file contains the application level configurations, and the second one, it contains the libraries, system libraries, and if I click on this, you can see some configuration. Here you can see plugins and namespace is a package name. Compile package which is 34. That is the latest one. My application ID is same as namespace. I'm targeting version 23 and my target SDK is 34. The current version of this will be 1, next version will be 1.4. At the bottom, you can see dependencies. Here, these are the libraries, and you can see the libraries are already downloaded. The libraries are already present in this file. So we will going to use material design with this example. So let's begin with our actual code. So you can click on it in manifest file. You can see actually we will see this file in our next video. We will the Java and the RES folder. Resources RES folder is a resources directory. This contains the UI user interface, other it contains drawable layouts, map values, and XML. So in layout, we create the layout if that is available on that computer. That can be seen through the application. By default, it contains activity underscore main.xml. We will open that. You can see by default hello world. By default, so it contains the content quality layout. To display a label, we use XView. Setting with match parent specifies the text complete space available from the parent and making it with a match parent and layout underscore height we will set reference. To set some text we need to pass attribute text your string variable. So you can see the world is present. To center to set this world to center, so what I need to set the what I need to do center in the area. If I set this to by default world is set to the center of this screen. Okay. So let's test it and this application. Once this process you can see our application and You can see below. So we have successfully done we have successfully done our first assignment of Hello World. That's it for this video.